Hey everybody, if you see these two lights blinking, oh, not anymore. Stuck. Hey everyone, if you see these two lights blinking, one is for the air filter, the other one is for the water filter. It needs to be replaced, and this is how you replace it. Open the fridge. This is an LG fridge. In the back there is the air filter in the middle, and on the left is the water filter. This is the filter that we're using, and this is a generic brand. I'll leave the in the description below. So let's twist, remove the filter. Look at them. This to the side and this to the right, and that's done for that one. Now just push. There's a push button you could use. Hold down. Lower it some more because it won't come off. So. There. So you have to using two generic filter. One, this is the air filter, and this is the liquid filter. Here's the compatibility, and we'll UPC is right. Yeah, there's no UPC on this thing. Oh, so I can put it in there. Anyway, I'll put the brand name in the description below, or you can just read it. Oh, in a hurry. Why? Before it drips. Okay, push it up. First, you put the date that you replace it with, the month and the date, and we close it. Alright, now that you replace both filters, just hold this until the thing stops blinking, and the bottom one too. Now it's reset. Both the air filter and the water filters have been reset. And run the water. So you run the water and you see it's the water is foggy.
No, black.
It's foggy, black, foggy. And when the water's clear, then you're done. But now you're not done yet. Just keep running it until the water is clear. See, that's better now. But it's not completely clear, so we're just gonna keep running the water until it's completely clear. That's better than earlier. See that? Still a little bit foggy, but it's okay. That looks good.
Much clearer now.
It's much clearer now. The fog is gone. Maybe one more round and it's done. Alright, so that's how you replace the air and water filter for this particular LG refrigerator and freezer. Much better. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Alright, goodbye.